Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum. Um, Today we're going to talk about the 7 segment display, how we can utilize the 7 segment display and the setup of it. Okay, so welcome to the Tinkercad lab. Initially, I just want to share my screen and open the platform Tinkercad. As if you know, if everyone know about that, the Tinkercad is the most sophisticated and user-friendly platform to simulate the material and the stuffs with Arduino. And today we're going to learn about the 7/7 display, how we can make a proper setup without the Arduino and with Arduino. Okay, so you have learned a lot of things about 7/7 display in theory class. So right now I'm going to focus. Right now, I'm going to focus on your particular topic that's going to explain right now. Okay, so okay. First of all, I have just logged in the Tinkercad software, and you can see that we're going to work on the 7/7 display. And as if you know, you have already known about that 7/7 display considered with lot of LEDs. Okay, there's some that's basically 8 LEDs, including the dot LEDs, where we can say that this display is very prominent and easy to use and can be visible in a long distance. That's why it has been used in our daily life in every aspects, like in metro rail, okay, in masjid to show the time. The 7/7 display can be represented as a watch. The 7/7 display can be the best example of 7/7 display. Yes, the wet machine. That's a digital display. That's not the 7/7 display. The scorecard board, the scoreboard of cricket or football. Okay, you'll get a lot of dots over there. The matrix is actually, which represents those stuffs. Now here you can see that uh, to make any kind of circuit or to build any kind of circuit, you need a battery, right? You need a battery. So a 9-volt battery is easy to use. And I have picked up the battery. So that's the battery. Okay. Okay. That's the ultimate battery. And now I can see that uh, apart from the battery, I just need a display. Okay. And that will be the 7/7 display. So the 7 segment display will be something like that. 7 segment. This is the 7 segment display. And as if you know, there are two types of 7/7 display. One is the anode and one is the cathode. So our prime focus is on the cathode side because this cathode display is very, very easy to use because it has a common ground and just setting up a simple connection, a simple ground setup, then you can manipulate the other LEDs and you can get the very good result as well. So this is the ultimate 7 segment display. And you can see there are lots of pins numbers over there. Is G, is F, and A, B, C, D. Okay. So now I'm going to connect this through the breadboard. Okay. I would like to request you to open up the platform, Tinkercad platform, and do as like I'm doing right now. Okay. So I need a breadboard. Oh, none. Okay, now, here you can see that I need a breadboard. A very small breadboard will be easy to use. So now I'm just putting this breadboard over there. Okay. And this is the anode one. I have to use the cathode one, and display name will be what? So this is the display. Now I have to power up the display. Okay. And every single time, if I power up this 77 display with what? With the help of the resistance. Okay. So now, if I set up and provide the 9 volt to this 77 display, then the display would be just burst out because the LED has some limiting current and voltage that it can absorb and it can emit as well. So the thing I have to do, I have to choose a resistor. Of what I have to do is to choose a resistor. Okay. So resistor. So if I take up this resistors over there, so the plus portion will be over there to connect this plus, and the other plus portion will be over there to connect this plus. Okay. So there's lots of LEDs over there, and I can utilize this like this way. Okay. Now, now you can see that there's lots of pins over there. Basically, lots of if I make this 1 kilo ohm, 1.5 kilo ohm, then I can say yes, definitely I can make some goosebump over there. Okay. So this is the point B. The B is connected in the side view that I can say the other dots of the row 8 is same as what the B pin wants to execute. Okay. So if I touch that pin in the rows of B, then it will be the same as well as the what? If I setting the number, if I setting the wire at B point, okay. And you can say the ground connection will be something like this. Maybe over there, and it will be the same. Okay. So this is the common part, and I just want to connect this ground from this to this place this way, and and if I make this blue wire, and if you just turn this blue wire into black, and I want to simulate this, see, it seems that this portion at the right side, this portion is red now because I have made a connection over there. If I want to lighten up this 7 cent display, I mean, all the LEDs, so I have to connect the voltage, I mean, the power supply line or the power line to all the LEDs. So I have to stop the simulation. I have to take the wire. This would be the red or orange. So see, this is the common portion. Okay. I can't connect this common over there because plus and minus will, if plus and minus will connect to the common point, then it will get to a short circuit and the display will be gone within a second. Okay. So this won't going to happen. So I have to connect a wire over there. F. I have to connect another wire over G. Simple. Okay. Now, connect another plus over there. I mean, sorry, over there. C is open up for the current setup. DP is open up. D is open for the setup. And the another pane, this one is open for the setup. And if I start simulation and see what will happen, all the connection is well established, and it is showing that yes, your LED is growing up and it's just glowing over there, and it is showing the exactly the value of 8 with particular dot that has been mentioned over there. Okay. So if you want to build this circuit, you just need to go to the Tinkercad. You can use the software Proteus. You use the other softwares, and that's the most concerning part, that you can make any kind of gesture, any kind of formation with this LED. Now the question is, what is the significant benefits of microprocessor and interfacing lab? The benefits is the benefits are basically, without having the Arduino or the microprocessor, you can't operate this 7-second display in a sophisticated way. Okay, how? Because every time, if you want to, like now, right now, I just want to convert this 8 into 2. So I have to remove somewhere. Is it possible in every time that I have to remove somewhere? So the setup would be something like that. That's all the connections will be finalized and will be in a proper shape. But the fact is, I have to put some commands over there as a code, as a coding language. Then that particular word management will be occupied and handling and processing with the help of Arduino. Right now, I want to I want to just want to I want to see the number value of 2, and after 2 seconds I just want to show 3. Then do you think that is it possible every time you have to remove some words and I have to go to the flow? Is it possible? No, it's not possible, because you want to have some codes. You have to have some programming languages, lines that can be executed with the help of this. Okay, so now it's your turn to make a setup with the help of the Arduino. I'm giving you the clue. The clue is something that there's two different types of pins in Arduino, one the digital and the analog. So brightness is not the prime focus. Would you please make a circuit with the help of this battery resistance and 7-7 display, and connect with the Arduino? So you have to make a connection with the Arduino to 7-7 display. How is this possible? Let's have a try. Yes, there with Arduino over there. Could you make this? Yes. A simple setup, Arduino and the 7-7 display. And in addition, you can add a simple resistance. Yes, please have a try. Yes, yes, Arduino not 3. Therefore, the Arduino Uno R3 are resistors other than the 7-pin display. Could you please answer my question that how could you make the circuit with the help of the Arduino? Are you going to connect the pins like the 7 wires to the 7-pin display with the Arduino's digital pin? Or are you going to connect the 7 or 8 wires of the 7-pin display with the Arduino's digital pin? Which one? Digital pins. Select some digital pins and act like that these digital pins are coming. I mean, these are acting like a voltage source or the power source for the LEDs. Okay. Now build that circuit, and I hope that you can make the circuit. It's not a difficult task. Done. Hmm? Hmm. You don't need to select any kind of battery. You can get a cable over there. Just start simulation and it will start power up automatically. This is the power jack. Like you are connecting Arduino with the laptop or the computer. No, you don't need any kind of resource, power resource over there. Sorry? No, you don't need any kind of. Okay. Okay, so I'm sharing this link. This is the most user-friendly link that I've ever seen for a beginner or practical level. You can use this link. I'm just copying this link right now and sending this to you. Evening, 10, regular 10, na? 10, triple A regular 10. So this is the link. And there's another group actually that is micro something, regular 10 or something group. There's another group. I have submitted this link to this group. There's another group, MCU. Where is the MCU? Yes. So this is the link. You can read it out over there. Now, okay. Let's jump to the main scenario. Now, if I go to the another dashboard, okay, uh, there will be a new beginning like create. Okay, my screen is over there. Create, and that will be the circuit. And after setuping this circuit, there mostly there is a built-in circuit and it has been connected as a Arduino and a 7-cent display. Let's have a look. Let's have a look and let's find out where is it. Yes. Yes. So this is the Arduino. Okay. And you may find you may find seven segment display. Okay. Now, so the pin has been connected. As we know that this display must be the cathode for a better utilization and for the better configuration. This cathode pin would be connected with the ground pin over there, any of the ground, and that would be the black. And apart from that, the other pins can be connected with this Arduino, like you can start it from the 0 or 1. So let's start from 0 to 1. Yep. 0 and that will be the 1. Okay. The 1 and I can set up different colors over there. Like there will be different colors to get a lucrative look. And now I can find another loophole. And this where must need to be extended because it is just going to be merged with the others and looks not very attractive and very good. I hope so. Okay. So there'll be the another way to connect the DP pin, actually the dot pin, and that is full blue. And now it's time to connect the upper part of the segments. Okay. Pink. Uh, Pink, brown, red. Oh, red is not very to use. Purple. And the last pin, but not the least, is red. Okay, so this is the setup. And I don't know exactly whether I could find any codes over there. No, this is the built-in code. So if I start simulate this one, I don't think this is going to be run. Okay. Okay, there will be some built-in code, and our prime focus is not on the code right now. Our prime focus that yes, our setup is okay, and yes. So in a schematic look, you can see that the pins diagram are connected in very optimized way. And see, look at the wires over there. The digital pins are connected with the digital segment because you don't need any kind of intensity over there. The thing you need is just to turn on the LED and turn off the LED. That's why you just need 0 and 1. And that command would be very much appreciated from your side, and that would be a coding. So right now, that would be, this will be your task to program this circuit. Yes, very good, very good. So to program the circuit, and overall, you have to make the full result with the 7-second display. Okay, so your task is you have to uh, come up with some values, and the value will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And every time the dot must not be shown. Okay, so 9 to 1, you have to print 9 to 1. You have to think of the logic. Okay, how can I print from 9 to 1? So there will be uses of loops. Okay, and after that, you can, what you can say, yes, that's the ultimate test. After that, and the delay must be 2 seconds. I mean 1 second. 2 seconds is much higher than any kind of perseverance. Yes, gradually it will show to 7-second display like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again repeat 9. So these things will happen for 3 times. 9 to 1, 9 to 1, again 9 to 1, then stop. Okay. So if you can make the code from 9 to 1, please don't write this code something like that digital pin this delay 1, then you can find the 9. So it is very much lengthy. Okay. If you, let's say, I just want to figure out the pin number 9. Okay. I just want to figure out the pin number 9. So for this pin, so for the 9, this display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 LEDs will be the 1 turn on. Then you can find the 9. So is it possible to write the codes for a single digit every time? It's not possible. So you have to make a general code that can be generalized with the decisions. Okay. So to think about that, how can I make this generalized? And there's some internet, Google's ChatGPT, I can take the help from them. But no, if I just start simulation, it will get the power, but this segment will not, it won't run right now because you haven't notified them with the proper code, proper command that what is the ultimate output of this display. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be dot, it could be just a bar. Okay, because the Arduino didn't understand the 9. He doesn't have any kind of knowledge of 9, 8, 7 or something, or a numeric number. Okay, he has a knowledge to get the command and to execute the ultimate output. So these are the circuit design. Next class, we'll definitely talk about the coding. To that extent, I can say that, okay, that's it. And we will get to learn the more things and more stuffs over there. And that's it. I can stop share right now. Sorry. You have to write code. Just select that blocks. It's not the blocks, it's the text. See, there is an option of text over there. Text over. Yes, there's a text options. So yeah, you have to set the continue, and then you can continue texting to write the codes. And you can use the Arduino IDE, copy the codes of the Arduino IDE. I mean, that's not yes, actually the code, and you can paste it over there and upload the sketch. Okay. So that's it for today, and I can stop the video, and thanks everyone, and see you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.